Welcome to my makeover today of the new IKEA Koarp armchair. Now this is a new addition to the IKEA catalogue. It's only been in stores, I think, a year or two at most, and I really love this chair because it's got this classic rectangular shape, and I love the iron legs. It just looks super classy in any room. Also, the slip cover comes off really easily, which makes it perfect for customizing. So today I'm going to be putting on a new slip cover in this grey and black gingham check, and the only way to do that, unfortunately, is to remove the legs, but it'll just take a minute because I have my trusty Allen key. Okay, so legs are off, really only took a minute. And what makes this chair so great to customize is that they have these Velcro strips at the bottom. So all you have to do is slip a cover on top, attach it to the Velcro, and you're good to put the legs back on, and it's basically ready. So here is my cover. And as I've mentioned before, we use fabrics that sometimes don't stretch in the same way that the IKEA original fabrics do. So we have to use invisible zippers to get them on and to make sure that it fits properly. So what I'm going to do is line up these two invisible zippers on the back corners of the chair. So if you can see here, I'm just going to zip this down a little bit, and on the other side. I'm not going to do it all the way because I need to turn it over and put the arm sections in. Okay. So there we go, just like that. Attach the Velcro of the cover to the Velcro underneath the chair. I'm trying to show you all angles here. This on the front. This is the front side. Velcro, Velcro, Velcro. You can see Velcro on the side here. Gonna do Velcro on this side. Just like that. And then if we can flip it over to the back again. Did my workout today. We can finally zip the back side down. Tight fitting. And this side here. Alright, and then we're gonna Velcro this part all the way down here. Perfect. Now, this is what it looks like after the chair cover has been put on. I'm gonna put the legs back on and the cushions, and then we're done. Okay, just finished putting the legs back on with the Allen key. I'm going to flip it over now. Hopefully I screwed them on okay and they're not going to fall off. And look at that. Would you even know this is an IKEA chair? That's what I love about the custom slip covers. And you can see here, there is an invisible zipper, but you can't see it because it's invisible. So now I'm just going to put the cushions back on. Seat cushion. And back cushion. And there you have it. Customized slipcover for the IKEA Koarp armchair.